Mr. Mohammad Ryan, 17 years of age, again from Sports Authority of Karnataka, who not only won the gold but also managed to get the best technical boxers title for this year's state tournament. So let's ask Mr. Ryan who his inspiration is and how was his fight, because it was a very tough fight.
My inspiration is Muhammad Ali. No pain, no gain. Float like a butterfly and sting like a bee. It was so good fight, and I'm so happy that I won the best technical boxer and winning the gold medal. I would like to thank my coach Saurav Guha and my dad.
Alright, so he likes to give his credits to his parents as well as his coach. We'd also like to ask him, how does it feel to be on this end of getting a technical boxer?
Actually, I never expected I'll get a technical boxer, but I'm very happy that I got a technical boxer.
Do you have them techniques? Can you show them for us? Can you show the audience those techniques you get?
It's left, right.
Thank you, Ryan. That was really something I think I should be aware of and stand like miles apart when they're talking too. And we'd like to wish you all the success. And if you can see, he's also got a hurt on his face, which looked like a very tough match. So I think it was worth the hurt and everything. Last but not least, all the best for your future. So now we have a girl from the Sports Authority of Karnataka. She's one among those 7 girls who managed to get a gold. This is Ankita Raj, and to see her match was a very close fought, very well fought match. She put in like more than 100% of her efforts to secure what she is right now. Let's ask her, how does it feel to be on top? Does it feel too good? Does it feel too best? And who does she want to give this credits to?
First, I want to give this credits to my coach Saurabh sir, because he only helped me. He would force us to do everything because he likes all the girls to get medal and everyone should be in an equal place. And my inspiration is Saurabh sir itself.
My international inspiration would be Mike Tyson, but the Indian inspiration would be Mary Kom, because they fight with all their heart, they train a lot, and also they give their best.
Alright, so how has boxing inspired you to perform well and to do well in your life or any other field?
Boxing, as you know, first of all, being a woman, you need to learn some sort of defense. And boxing has really, I know taekwondo and boxing, so both have an advantage for me. So I can use my legs and my hands as well. But boxing gives you a lot of power from the above, which is really good. And boxing can help you at any time with anybody, for that matter.
So how long have you been practicing boxing?
For about 6 years. Actually, you know what? 10, but 6 years fully, and the other 4 is on and off.
So now we have 2 boxers. One is a localite and one does specialized training in Inspire Institute of Sports. Her name is Shubham Yadav. And another girl, the localite, is Miss Bhavya, who is of 22 years of age, and Shubham is 17 years of age. Let us ask how their journey in boxing has been like, what a roller coaster ride it was, and who is their inspiration. So Bhavya, could you please tell us?
My inspiration is my coach, and I have been practicing since 1 year.
Okay. Which club do you play from?
CABC, Chandrasekhar Azad Boxing Club.
Alright, so Shubham, who is your inspiration and how long have you been playing boxing?
My inspiration is my dad, as he is not a boxer, but he dedicated me to participate in boxing as an individual game. And I training in IS, Inspire Institute of Sports. My coach name is Ronald Sims. He is from USA, and he training like international skills, how we train there.
So we are here at the Jalali HMT grounds, and we have Mr. Sai Satish, the Honorary Secretary of Karnataka Amateur Boxing Association, to tell us something about the event, how it was organized, and what is it about the event. So, sir, can you just brief the audience about what the event is, how did you get it organized and all of that?
See, this is a state level boxing championship which is happening. This venue is at Jalahalli HMT grounds. We should really thank the organizing chairman, Captain Chandrasekhar, who's also a coach here, and also Dhanasanjan, Captain Dhanasanjan, and above all, we should really. I take this opportunity to thank Dr. Manjay Gowda ji, who is also our president for Karnataka Amateur Boxing Association. It's been supported by Karnataka Olympic Association. Govindraju has really given us a good platform and a good backhand support to organize this particular event. Apart from Mr. Govindraju ji, who is an Karnataka Olympic Association president, even Anant Raju ji is also given us a good platform. I'm saying their encouragement and their positive approach for us to really for this grand event to happen. And this is the first time ever we have 19 clubs, 19 which is included districts, schools and colleges have participated in this 19 events. I'm saying 19 list in the 19 list of participants. We have districts who have come, we have colleges, we have schools who have come here, and there is very important event here. In Belgaum, there is one boxer who has won a gold. He, in spite of the drought area which he comes from, he has swam across. He has really swam across. He came without any clothes. He really joined the team, and they brought him here, and he really performed very good, and he's also won the gold. It is a very good event. It's a very good, inspiring for all the other boxers. That is a love of game. That shows what kind of love which is got for the game. There are all the other participants who have come, who have participated. It's an inspiring for everyone. They should elevate from them, to the next level. Okay. So we have sub-juniors, we have juniors, we have youth, and we have seniors, men's and women's. And we have here, I think so, senior boxer who's going to perform for the second. After she's going to perform, I think so, the next game she's got. I think so, she's been boxing for a long time. Yeah. What's it?
Alright, so now on the dais we have Mr. Captain Dhanasanjan sir, who is the Joint Secretary for Karnataka Amateur Boxing Association and the Assistant Organizing Chairman for this event, the State Championship today. He, interestingly, he is also a former world champion who has represented India for more than 12 times. We welcome you, sir. And sir, could you tell us how has the experience these 3 days been like, and how has the boxers been performing?
This is unexpected. This is the first time I'm saying I'm in Karnataka almost in 1970s till 76 till today. This is the first time I saw like this tournament. I never seen like this tournament in before, because this is a very, very, very big success tournament because of our secretary and our Captain Machaya Sahab is my coach. When I played World Cup and maximum internationals, he is the coach for me.
So now we have Captain Machaya, who is very interestingly, he is an Olympian who has also fought the national championship for 7 times and has consistently won gold. He hails from Kodagu district, and today he is here to share his experience of a match with the former legendary boxer of the boxing era, Mr. Muhammad Ali. He fought a match with him in Delhi, so he's here to share his experience, what it has been like. He's also known as one of the most stylish boxers of his era. So we welcome you, sir, and yes, you can share us your beautiful experience with the man himself.
I've seen international many tournaments, but India getting a good boxers and all facilities there. And one step back is scientific field is some back or Indian boxers. And I want to improve the scientific boxing in India. So he will become a world champion, taking a gold medal in the Olympics and all. So good facilities, government giving good support. Our Karnataka state also giving good support. Our secretary, our Sai Satish and Manjay Gowda, they are all very interested in the boxing field. So we are supporting them. The first time this much of strength, 300 cross boxers attended the state championship. The first time. So day by day we are increasing and giving the facilities. So attraction of the boxers.
So how was your experience when you fought against Mr. Muhammad Ali?
That is an exhibition bout. That time 1980 Olympics, we are attending Olympics all world. But that time yes, Congress country had boycotted. USA, some Germany, some country had boycotted. He came India, is 3-4 places he planned to bout. But Delhi, first bout Delhi, I fought with the 3 rounds in exhibition bout. Then the time the President Carter immediately called wapas, return. Then 80 Olympics we not attended to the USA and some countries. Well, half countries or 80 countries were attended in Moscow. And last year 84, these communist countries not attended that Olympics. Then 88 Olympics world all attended games.
About Karnataka boxing, what it is. That's why everyone bring the grassroots level from the school to higher level. So you can definitely improve the boxing style, boxing, and bring glory to the India, to the boxers nowadays they're practicing very much higher level.
We have now Mr. Captain Manoharan, who is a former Olympian, Dronacharya awardee and a former Arjuna awardee. He is currently serving as a junior level, national level coach for the junior category of boxers. He is here to share his experience to see what he thinks of our boxers, if they are capable to go on national levels in the national camps, if their experience is that up to the mark that they can, outcast the national level champions.
Previous our Karnataka boxers, not much. Nowadays they were more interested. Maybe coaches also interested for Karnataka boxing team. They will produce many good boxers. They go growing up in the Karnataka. Only a few years after Karnataka boxer also they will participate at international level and Olympics level.
We have the coach of the Sports Authority of Karnataka, the Karnataka team's coach, Mr. Saurav Guha, who is an IBA Star 2 coach and the current national team of India's coach too. So he's going to share us his experience since most of the gold winners and most of the emerging boxers came from his team.
Just I want to say that first of all, I thanks to all parents who bring their son, daughters to stadium and motivate them to play the hardest game, which is the most hardest game, boxing. Okay, I am very much proud of the parents as far as my students who are giving is 100%. They are coming morning 5 o'clock to the stadium up to 8 o'clock and the evening from 4:30 to 7:30. They give their 100% and also I am giving my 100% effort to my small kids, to everyone. Today I am very happy that my 7 girls, they get all gold, 1 silver. I am very happy to the students who are playing from sub-junior, junior, youth, senior, men and women. For I am saying that the effort what is given by the student, I am very much happy and I need their cooperation for the next tournament also.
To quote the Dangal's dialogue, "Mari chori choro se kam hai ke?" And with that, thank you, Mr. Saurav, for joining us. We have a parent. His name is Krishna Raj sir, and apparently he has 2 kids. Both of them are in boxing, and both of them have secured their beautiful spots, and they are standing here with their shining, medals and stuff. So we'd like to ask Mr. Krishna Raj how his experience, how he feels when his kids have won, and what one message would he like the parents to know?
First of all, I want to appreciate organizers. We don't get good platforms for the budding boxers, and this time we got this chance to show their performance talent, and I think so same thing will be continued every year, because after so many years I am seeing the boxing arena and boxing platform for these children. Last year it was one of the Dasra. Same thing it can happen through organizers every year to compete. And one more drawbacks in our state is no boxing in school games. I like through this channel to get aware of our public instruction department. Let them implement this year only and do the favor for the budding boxer for the state. Karnataka State Public Instruction Education Board. I am requesting through this channel.
So, sir, how does it feel to have two boxers in your family and both of them winning medals and coming home at the end?
Nice and good. It's a very good feeling. But I think so. Still, they should perform till national level. State level is anyway okay. Still, national level, I like to see the national medal.
We have a participant from the Sports Authority Karnataka. His name is Mr. Kiran, and he is of 10 years of age, and apparently he went until he secured a silver place, and we are here to ask him how does it feel to be right there. He could have, with a point probably he could have secured the gold spot, but not. And so let's just ask him how it felt, because he's just a tiny kid and I think he needs the most inspiration one could get from.
I'm feeling very bad. I will get next gold medal, but I'll work hard still.
Who's your inspiration in boxing, Kiran?
Mike Tyson.
Alright, I think he looks like a junior small Mike Tyson for us. His inspiration is Mike Tyson. He says he's gonna put in like 110% more hard work for the next time so that he can convert the silver into gold. We wish you all the luck, Kiran. Thank you so much. Alright, so thank you for staying tuned, guys. I hope you all loved the insight from the state level boxing championship of Karnataka that happened, which was organized by Chandrasekhar Azad Boxing Club in association with the Sports Authority of Karnataka and the secretaries and treasurers and presidents from the Karnataka Amateur Boxing Association. It was one hell of the 3-day event. It was one hell of an event because it went super beautiful and super great, and we could see some promising boxers I'd like to mention who actually gave us hopes that there's a bright future for boxing in India. And I think in the near future, like all the association presidents and treasurers said, Karnataka's boxing team would emerge as one of the top 3 boxing teams in like a year or so. Last but not the least, thank you so much for staying tuned. This is me, Noor Zahira, for Go Hash. If you all like the video and if you want to drop your wishes to the team, please drop down in the comment section below. Thank you for staying tuned.